Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Diner. My name is Alex, and I'll be your waiter today. How can I help you?
Hi, Alex. Thank you. I'm still looking at the menu. There are so many options. Could you help me choose something?
Of course. Are you in the mood for something sweet, salty, or spicy?
I think I'd like something salty, but not too heavy. Maybe you can suggest a dish?
Sure. Our grilled chicken sandwich is very popular. It comes with lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise, and you can have it with fries or a side salad.
That sounds nice. What kind of salad do you have?
We have a garden salad with lettuce, cucumber, carrots, and cherry tomatoes. It comes with your choice of dressing, ranch, Italian, or balsamic vinaigrette.
I'll take the sandwich with the salad. I'll go with ranch dressing, please.
Excellent choice. And to drink, what would you like? We have soft drinks, coffee, tea, and fresh squeezed orange juice.
I'll have the orange juice. Is it sweet?
It's naturally sweet, but not too much. It's freshly squeezed, so it's very refreshing.
Perfect. That's all for now. Thank you.
Great. I'll bring your order right away. By the way, are you learning English? You're doing very well.
Yes, I am. Thank you. I like to practice when I eat out. It helps me learn new words. For example, I learned grilled and vinaigrette just now.
That's wonderful. Working in a restaurant has helped me learn new words, too. Did you know the word entree means the main dish in American English? But in French, it means the starter?
Really? That's so interesting. I didn't know that. Do you speak French?
Just a little. I learned some while working in a French restaurant last year. Speaking of languages, do you want to learn any food-related words today?
Yes, please. I'd like to know what appetizer means.
An appetizer is a small dish you eat before the main meal. For example, we have mozzarella sticks and garlic bread as appetizers here.
Oh, I see. So it's like a snack before the main dish. That's helpful. What about dessert?
Dessert is the sweet dish you eat after the meal. Our desserts today include chocolate cake, apple pie, and ice cream.
I love dessert. I think I'll order some apple pie after my sandwich.
Great choice. Do you know the word a la mode?
No, what does it mean?
It's a fancy way to say the dessert is served with ice cream. So, if you want apple pie with ice cream, you say apple pie a la mode.
That's very interesting. Why do some restaurants call a dish a special?
Oh, in some restaurants, they have specials or daily specials. These are meals they only offer that day or at a special price.
Wow, that's good to know. I'll remember that for later. Thank you for teaching me.
You're welcome. Learning while eating is fun, isn't it?
It really is. Thanks for being so kind.
My pleasure. I'll be back with your sandwich and salad in just a few minutes. Enjoy your time here.
Hi, Ben. How was your day?
It was good, but I'm tired. How about you?
I'm a little tired too, but it was a productive day. Let's talk about what we did.
Okay, let's start. What did you do this morning?
Well, I woke up early around 7 a.m. Then I made breakfast pancakes and coffee.
Oh, pancakes. I love them. Did you put syrup on them?
Yes, and a little butter. What about you? What did you eat for breakfast?
I just had toast and jam with some tea. After breakfast, I took the dog for a walk.
That's nice. Did you go to the park?
Yes, I walked around the park for 30 minutes. The dog loved it. There were so many squirrels.
I bet the dog tried to chase them.
Of course. I had to hold the leash tight. What did you do after breakfast?
I cleaned the house. First, I vacuumed the living room. Then, I dusted the furniture.
Wow, that's a lot of work. Did you also clean the bathroom?
Yes, I scrubbed the sink and the bathtub. It's sparkling clean now.
Good job. After walking the dog, I went to the grocery store.
Oh, what did you buy?
I bought fruits, vegetables, bread, and some chicken for dinner.
Did you remember to buy eggs?
Yes, I got a dozen eggs. I also bought some chocolate because I know you love it.
Thank you. Did you see anyone we know at the store?
Yes, I saw Tom. He was buying a huge watermelon.
Haha, that sounds like Tom. After cleaning, I did some laundry. I washed our clothes, dried them, and folded them.
Folding clothes takes time, doesn't it?
Yes, but I listened to music while I did it.
What kind of music?
Pop music, but I also listened to a podcast about cooking. It gave me some new ideas for recipes.
That's great. Maybe we can try one this weekend. After shopping, I washed the car. It was so dirty.
Did you vacuum the inside too?
Yes, and I cleaned the windows. The car looks great now.
That's awesome. For lunch, I made a salad with the vegetables you bought.
Oh, that was delicious. I ate the leftovers before my meeting.
Did your meeting go well?
Yes, it was online. We talked about next week's project. It was long, though almost 2 hours.
2 hours? That's a long meeting. What did you do after it?
I needed to stretch, so I did some light exercise in the backyard.
What kind of exercise?
Just some push-ups, squats, and jumping jacks. It helped me feel better.
That's good. After lunch, I worked in the garden.
Oh, what did you do?
I watered the plants, pulled out some weeds, and trimmed the rose bushes.
The garden looks nice. Did you plant anything new?
Not today, but I'm thinking about planting some herbs. Maybe basil and mint.
That's a great idea. Fresh herbs always make meals taste better.
After that, I sat down and read a book for an hour.
What book are you reading?
It's a romance novel. The story is so good. I couldn't stop reading.
Sounds interesting. I didn't have time to read today, but I watched a football game.
Who won?
My team. It was an exciting match.
That's great. Did you do anything else?
I cooked dinner, grilled chicken and rice.
It was delicious. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome. What are your plans for tomorrow?
I want to organize the closet and maybe bake cookies.
Cookies? That sounds amazing. I'll help you organize the closet.
Thanks. I also need to call my mom. I haven't talked to her in a few days.
Oh, say hi to her for me. What about me? I need to fix the kitchen shelf. It's still wobbly.
Yes, please do. It's driving me crazy.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Maybe I'll also mow the lawn if the weather is nice.
Good idea. We'll both stay busy tomorrow.
Yes, but tonight, let's relax.
Good idea. Let's watch a movie.
Perfect. I'll make popcorn.
Oh, don't forget the blankets. It's a little chilly tonight.